Hello everyone, in this video you are going to learn how to fix blink floodlight camera keeps going offline. Fix 1. Verify power supply. Battery powered cameras. Ensure the batteries are properly installed and have sufficient charge. If the camera is powered with batteries, remove them for 5 seconds and then reinsert them. Wired cameras. Confirm that the power cable is securely connected to both the camera and the power source. Unplug the cable from the wall outlet or camera, wait 5 seconds and then reinsert the cable. Fix 2. Check Wi-Fi connection. Signal strength. Ensure your camera is within range of your Wi-Fi router. Obstructions like walls or electronic devices can weaken the signal. Moving the camera closer to the router or using a Wi-Fi extender can help. Network stability. Verify that other devices can connect to the internet. If not, restart your router. On your mobile device, ensure you are connected to your Wi-Fi. Then open a browser and check if a website loads, that is blinkforhome.com. Fix 3. Update firmware and app. Updating the Blink app for iOS devices. Open the App Store on your device. Tap on your profile icon at the top right corner. Scroll down to see pending updates. Locate the Blink app. If an update is available, tap Update next to the Blink app. For Android devices, open the Google Play Store on your device. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines, and select My Apps and Games. Under the Updates section, find the Blink app. If an update is available, tap Update. Updating the Blink floodlight camera firmware. Check firmware version. Open the Blink app, select the camera you wish to check, navigate to the camera settings and locate the firmware version. Force a firmware update. If the firmware is not up to date, power cycle the camera. For battery powered cameras, remove the batteries, wait for a few seconds and then reinsert them. For wired cameras, unplug the power source, wait a few seconds, then plug it back in. Ensure the camera is connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. The camera should automatically check for and install available updates upon reboot. Fix 4. Reset devices. Camera reset. For battery powered cameras, remove and reinsert the batteries after 5 seconds. For wired cameras, unplug and replug the power cable after 5 seconds. Wait 30 seconds and try using the camera again. Sync module reset. If your system uses a sync module and it's offline, reset it by pressing and holding the reset button until a red light appears. Once the light flashes blue and then turns solid green, it's ready to pair again. Fix 5. Check for interference. Ensure there are no devices nearby causing Wi-Fi interference, such as microwaves or cordless phones. Adjusting the camera's position or changing the Wi-Fi channel on your router can mitigate this issue. Fix 6. Review camera placement. Ensure the camera is within 100 feet of the sync module or router. Obstructions and distance can affect connectivity. Fix 7. Contact support. If issues persist after these steps, reach out to Blink support for specialized assistance. The link will be provided in the description box. When you open the link, a web page will be appeared on the screen. When you scroll down, you will find many options here, and then you can click on contact support to contact them. Thanks for watching the video. Do like, comment and share our video. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for upcoming videos.